The Fox and the Drum. One day, a fox was roaming in the forest in search of food. Suddenly, it heard a loud sound. The fox was frightened. It thought, "What a terrible sound it is! It echoes through the forest. It seems to be the sound of some strange animal. Let me run away from here." But then it changed its mind and thought, if I go away, I might die without food. I will hide myself and see how big the animal is. If it is a flesh-eating animal, then it will not spare me. Then I will run away. The fox walked towards the direction of the sound and saw a big drum under a tree. As soon as the branches of the tree struck it, it produced a loud sound. Some soldiers must have forgotten the drum after a battle. The fox watched it from his hiding place behind a tree. He thought, "It is not safe to be here. If this huge animal sees me, it will kill me for its food. Now I must leave the forest and go away." The fox again thought, "But this forest is my home. Why should I leave my home? My mother used to say, 'Never make a quick decision in terror. Let me go near it and examine it.'" The fox went near the drum. It said to itself, "As soon as this animal will be about to attack me, I will run away." But the animal did no such thing. The fox went nearer to it, but the animal did not react. Now the fox thought, "Let me touch it." It raised its paws and tapped on the drum. A loud sound occurred, and the whole forest echoed with the sound. The fox moved back. It again went nearer to the drum. Now it was not frightened. It thought, "How huge this animal is! What thick skin it has! It must be very fleshy." The fox's mouth watered. The fox climbed up on it and tried to bite it, but the leather of the drum was too thick for it to bite. It was surprised. The fox said to himself, "Such a big animal, and yet it is so helpless. It cannot even face my attack. Poor animal." The fox tried hard to bite it. Its tooth broke. There was blood in its mouth. The fox became angry. Again, it bit the leather with all its strength. Finally, it succeeded in biting the drum. Then it became easy to tear it up. The fox was excited and surprised. "I have bitten it and torn it up, but there was no blood." The fox entered the drum. It was empty. The fox was disappointed on seeing this. It did not get any food and lost its tooth. Again, the breeze blew, but the branches hitting the drum produced no sound. The fox said to itself, "I don't mind losing a tooth, but I am happy that I have lost my fear. I have killed this big animal." The fox was very proud of itself. It held its head high and again began to wander in search of food.